Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make quiche with eggs and spinach. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Then, we'll prepare our pie crust and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, setting the stage for a perfectly baked quiche. Finally, we'll combine the delicious filling ingredients, creating a savory mixture that promises a delightful culinary experience for everyone to enjoy. First, we'll blind bake our pie crust for approximately 15 minutes. This step helps create a crisp base, preventing a soggy bottom for your quiche. Next, we'll sauté about 2 cups of fresh spinach until it beautifully wilts and releases its natural moisture. This concentrates its flavor. It's crucial to then squeeze out any excess water from the cooked spinach. This simple action ensures your quiche filling remains perfectly firm and flavorful, avoiding any unwanted sogginess in the final dish. Now, let's create the heart of our quiche, the egg filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of your preferred milk or cream until well combined. This creamy base is essential for a rich texture. Next, season this mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of shredded cheese, like Gruyere or cheddar, along with your prepared spinach, ensuring an even distribution. With our filling ready, carefully pour the delicious egg and spinach mixture into your pre-baked pie crust. Ensure it's evenly distributed for consistent cooking. Then, transfer your quiche to the preheated oven and bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when the center is set and the top is beautifully golden brown. Finally, and this is important, let the quiche cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This allows it to firm up, ensuring perfect slices every time. Enjoy your homemade quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.